That's recording. Okay, let's see this device first. I have LED, that's mean light emitting diode, and normal, we call this rectifier diode. Okay, let's see that again. Okay, you see it's focused, not focusing. Ah, yes, now it's focused. What's this? Light emitting
Light
diode,
diode.
and you can see it's one terminal is somewhat elongated. Okay,
Negative positive.
yes, elongated. Dikvichika mugaddu. That's positive.
Yes.
Short one is
Negative.
negative. Okay. Okay, look at this. You can see terminals are equal, but you can see uh, it's not focusing. A white strip, silver color strip, you can see. Okay, so that's how we identify it. I'll show you another device. This has been made by actually a combination of two diodes. Look at this. This is known as transistor. You can see 3 pins there. 3 pins. Okay, good. So that's transistor. Next, capacitors. I'll show you capacitors, and I'll show you the actions of these capacitors. Look at this. And this is a capacitor, and here also you can see that negative side minus short. Look at this, short. Positive, somewhat elongated. Good. This somewhat different one. Okay, that's also a capacitor. There's a huge one. Where is that? I think it's dropped.
Excuse me, sir. I cannot hear you.
I also, sir.
Me too.
How is it?
Okay. Now, no.
Now, no, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, I think now it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Now,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
sir.
Sound madid. This huge capacitor. That's what we uh, discussed now. Okay, negative. So we can charge this. Okay, let's test the activity of this. And you need another circuit board like this. Okay, this 250 rupees most of the time. You can see. Can you see that? Okay. So Other side, no buses, no wires. But if you remove this, I'm going to, don't do this, okay? I feel this of, you can see wire lines. Is that clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Good,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
good.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Keep this in mind. Make a mataka tiyagan. Now I turn other side. Okay. Current passes through these lines down. That's a possibility. And other side also, this side also, current passes down. Okay. So this is what actually happening. And you can see, okay, let's check the other side again. This horizontal side. මේ horizontal විදිහට යන්න පුළුවන් current එක. I'll show that these lines cross conduction of current. Okay. I'll show you this way. Then මට පොඩක් board එක explain කරලා ඉන්න. Okay, this is what our first device, diode. What the function of this diode? මේ diode එකේ function එක මොකක්ද? It conducts electricity only to one direction. Diode is an electronic device. So that's DIVISE device that conduct electricity only to one direction. Okay, that conduct electricity only to one direction. Okay, I'll show you that. There's an animation. Okay, I'll show that later. Yes, that is an electric device that conduct electricity or electric current. Let's write like that. That conduct an electric current. That conduct an electric current.
Sir, is it okay if we write it now?
Yes, okay, write that. Diode is an electronic device. Electronic, okay, not electric. Electronic device that conduct an electric current only to one direction. Only to one direction. Okay, so let's connect electric current for this diode. Now I erase this, okay? Symbol, actual view, real diagram, negative, positive, and symbol, positive, negative. Okay, so this is a dry cell. At least 2 dry cells require for this. do dry cells require? Okay, but this is a negative line and this is positive. So always positive to positive we connect. Positive to positive and negative to negative. Okay, if this conduct an electric current, we have to see that. Yes, how to see it? May electric current conduct කරනවද කියලා කොහොමද අපි හොයාගන්නේ? How to see that? If this actually conduct an electric current, this is a positive terminal, this is a negative terminal. So if you use a bulb එකක් පාවිච්චි කළොත් මාව බය කළා. Okay. කවුද noise එකක් generate කළේ? If this conduct electricity, if this diode allowed to conduct an electric current, definitely this bulb lights up. Okay. Okay, is that clear for you? Look at this. Okay, now we are going to do this. අපි මේ කරන්නයි යන්නේ. දැන් තමයි වැඩි. අපිට Shania, did you draw this?
Yes, sir.
No, still?
Sir, on the moment of drawing.
Okay, draw it. Afrin, finish? No. Okay, do it. Lakshika,
Yes, sir.
okay. Again with a nice background. Did you finish that? Finish it right in? පුතා නිවාඩු අඳින්නකෝ.
Sir, I am finished.
Yes, you have finished that.
Sir, I am finished.
I am finished. පුතේ I am finished කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? මං ඉවරයි. Okay,
Sir, I have finished doing my work.
good. Now we have to plan how to do this on this project.
Sir,
Okay.
please can you get a side?
මට යන්න
I
කිව්වා.
cannot see the board.
මට යන්න කිව්වා මං යනවා. බලන්න ලක්ෂික මාව එලෝ ගත්තනේ. Shinaya. Yes, Dinuda. Switch off my yes, microphone and both video.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice to see you. You have that nice white color frock. with nice green color background. Okay, you have completed this, no?
Yes, sir.
Good. Excuse me, madam ලා දෙන්න මම දැන් ආවට කමක් නැද්ද මෙතන?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I am permitted. Now I come. Okay, now look at this. This project board. How to practice this? We have to draw it now. Okay, I'll draw that. Part of the project board. Yes, මම පොඩ්ඩක් මේක ඔයගොල්ලන්ට symbols වලින් අඳින හැටිත් කියන්න. So diode, Lakshika, the positive here like this and negative, positive, negative, bulb, so this is diode and this bulb. Okay, so this is the way of drawing that by using symbols. Okay, draw it later. Now this is your project board. Project board, and you can see this dot line up to the middle, and here's another set of holes. These are the connecting sockets. Okay, connecting sockets. You can use positive, negative in the same pen. Okay, you can see that. Project board, positive holes, positive and negative holes, negative for the connection. Okay, so what you do is first you connect your dry cells positive connection to here. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. Next, your negative connection to this hole. Okay, that's why you get electric power to your project board. On the project board, they get a powers gata. Next thing you have to do, you have to install a diode. Yes, use another hole, another two hole like this. You just install your diode. Okay, install your diode. I think that's not clear. Shana, තාම තේරෙන්නේ නැනේ. You can't understand this. Okay, I'll
Yes,
show
sir.
this to you. Lakshika, Tishan. Okay, let's practice. Look at this. I'll show you this. I use this color for the positive. Okay, for the positive. Okay, I purple color. Okay, for this positive, I have installed that. Okay, look at this. I just install this to here. Okay. Now, can you see? So this wire can be used to supply current to the board. Can you understand that?
Yes.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, I use a black color one for negative. Okay. I use this negative end. It's black color. Now we have supply current to the board. But you will ask, so where's the power source? You can see I use this 9 volt, but that's too much. But I have already used this. Therefore, it has somewhat exhausted. Do you remember that exhausting? Lakshika,
Yes, sir.
chemicals inside somewhat exhausted. Product ඉවර වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. Then therefore its voltage is not 9 volt, uh, lower than that. Okay, I'll show you that. I have a multimeter. Do you know that voltmeter? Voltmeter that measure the current. Okay, I'll switch on this. Switch on current. Yes, the power button. Yes, now you can see that. These are the electrodes. Okay. දැන් තමයි අමාරුම වැඩි. තව කෙනෙක් හිටිය නම් හරි. This multimeter consists ammeter, voltmeter, and ohmmeter. So I change this to volt side. You can see this V. Okay, and it measures my hand current. Okay, now look at this, the positive and negative. I keep these electrodes, then you can see the value. What's the value? 7.45.
4-5.
4-5.
Yeah, too much ne. අපේ device pitch either than searching one here and there. Finally, I got another one. Oh, look at this.
Sir, I also have a one.
Okay, finally, that's 1.21. It's discharging. What to do? That's not enough. Come on, ne. Pitch unat meyawa පාවිච්චි කරමු. Okay, now I am going to install that. I use these crocodile clip wires. Kimbula. Crocodile. Okay. You can wear these like this. Okay. Shania, as earrings, you can use these
Yes, sir.
crocodile clips. Right? හයියෙන් කෑ ගැහුවේගේ මේක දාගෙන. Okay, it's connected. This large ring is negative. Unfortunately, I have the same color crocodile clip. Yes, I got it. We want to check that this is working or not. Wait a minute.
වැඩින කරන්ට් එක ගියද? කරන්ට් එක ගියා.
that crocodile clip is not working. Okay. Mahoshidi, you feel boring? Yes, that crocodile clip is working. Okay. Okay. I use this crocodile clip, white color one, as the negative one, but it's not clipped well. Good. It's okay. Uh, Crocodile clip. This is made by me. Okay, manual created one, not ready made. Okay, so that is used as negative, but it is suitable for the positive.
Sir, again we cannot hear you.
Yes, sir. The same thing for me too.
Working.
Yes, sir. Now can hear clearly.
Yes, this is positive. This is for negative. Now I keep this my working table. In next time, I'll show you. I change the camera angle. Okay. මේකයි වැඩි here. Okay, listen. දැන් මගේ room එක රේඩියෝ හැදුවේ පුග්ලියල්මෝ කවුද? මාකෝනි. එයාගේ room එකෙත් වයර් ගොඩවල්ුනේ තිබ්බේ මගෙත් දැන් ඒ වගේ වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. Okay, no matter. Let's change this angle. Camera angle. You want to see complete setup? Okay, Lakshika, this is my complete setup. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. one computer is here and mixer මම මේ බඩු ටික තියලා තියෙන්නේ මගේ පරණ ලැප්ටොප් එකක් උඩ. Okay, that's all this stuff. තව තියෙනවා මේකේ guitars අනම් මන ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා. May I do this more closer to you? Okay, I don't know whether this is clear or not. Okay, let's see. This is our power line. Now I connect this to the negative and this one to the positive. Current එක එනවද බලමුද? Let's check that. I'll put this one. I'll install this. You can see this. බලන්න මෙයාගේ දිග එක positive. I take this positive like this. I install it here. Lakshika, do you remember that positive side?
Yes.
Good.
The long one.
Lower one. I installed that. Close කරලා පෙන්නන්නේ කොහොමද? මම tripod එක මෙහෙම අරන් යන්න. Okay. Let's try to manage this. Where ගැලවිද දන්නේ? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. I need another connecting wires. I got two. This is black. This is blue. Blue is for the negative. I take current from this negative side. Did you see that? And
Yes, sir.
here's the negative bus. Negative buses. Can you see? මෙන්න මේ line එක දිගේ
Yes,
current
sir.
එක එනවා. I install this now. Now negative is okay. Positive ගහනකොට පත්තු වුනේ නැත්නම් I don't know that. එහෙනම් wire වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ. Okay, I just working. වැඩි වෙලා තිබ්බොත් pitch එක කමක් නැහැ, pitch උනත් කමක් නැහැ. Can you see it? Oh, burnt off. එයා pitch උනා. That's the reason that power is more than the required power. ඉතින් මට මේ 3 volts හොයාගන්න බැරුව ගියා මේ වෙලාවේ. Dry cell දෙකක් තිබ්බනම් හරි. So you can take, okay, wait, I'll show you. Okay, for this purpose you can use this battery holder like this. Okay, and 2 batteries. So you can take this power out. මට මේක soldering iron දාලා මේ හදාගන්න බැරුව ගියා. classes තිබ්බ උදේ ඉඳන්. අනිත් දවසේ මම මේක හදලා තියන්න.
So I use something like that to take electricity.
Good. We can use this, oh God. Variable resistor, just like a volume control. මෙයාගෙනුත් electricity control කරන්න පුළුවන්. හරි? Okay, මේක දැම්මොත් ටික complex වෙන හින්දා මම ඒක කරන්නේ. Okay, next. I use this light emitting diode here. always positive this side. Okay, if I just connect this negative to negative, positive to positive, it slides up. Can you see? Slide up. Okay. Now,
Sir, I can't see.
what's the problem? බලන්න slide කරලා කාටද පේන්නේ නැත්තේ? Who can't see? Tell me your name.
Senura.
Senura. ඔයාගේ දකුණු අත පැත්තේ තියෙනවා වීඩියෝ එක. ඔයා ඇඟිල්ලෙන් මෙහෙම කරන්න. කොහමද ෆෝන් එකක් please ෆෝන් එකක් එන්න මං ගාවට. එන්න මං පෙන්නන්න. This is a phone, okay? Okay. Zoom ගත්තොත් නම් වැඩි අප්සෙට් යනවා දැන්. Yes, this zoom. මෙහෙම කරන්න. ඔයා zoom අරගෙන මෙහෙම කරන්න. Like this. එතකොට මං හොයාගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay? Senura දැන්
Hi,
හරිද?
sir. Hi, sir.
Good. So this is the diode. You can see this silver strip. That means this is negative. This is positive. Good. I put positive like this. Okay. Positive. Positive, positive. And negative is given to positive of the bulb. I'll show you closely. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Negative is given to the positive of the bulb. And here's the positive end of the diode. And to the positive end of the diode, we give the current. What can you see? It lights up. That means when you connect a diode positive to positive, negative to negative, it allows current to flow. A positive positive, negative negative connect කළොත් විතරයි diode එක current එක යන්න දෙන්නේ. එක පැත්ත අපි බලමු ඉතින් ඇත්තද දන්නේ ඕක. කියන්න බෑනේ. මම මේක පැත්ත මාරු කරනවා. I change the direction. Look at this. I change the direction. Okay. Now, you can see diodes negative here. Diodes negative. Play with that. Diodes negative. So this diodes negative is given the positive. Oh, pattu වෙනවා. Vinuda, what has happened? It's not working. What's the reason? We have changed the direction of the diode. Diode එක එක පැත්තකට විතරයි current එක යන්න ඉඩ දෙන්නේ. එයා හරි අමුතු කෙනෙක්. නේද? එයා ටෝන් එක විතරයි කරන්නේ. ගෑනු ළමෙක් වගේ. Okay. Let's change the direction. Now working. Okay. Now it's working. Good. Lakshika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you understand the function of this diode?
Yes, sir.
Senura, can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. Tishan,
Yes, sir.
Chinaya,
Yes, sir, can understand.
You can understand. තව හිටියනේ කට්ටිය. Afrin. Good. Um, so students, Mahoshadi, can you understand this? Mahoshadi, did you see that? Yes. ඔයාගේ sound එන්නේ නැද්ද කොහෙද අපිට? No matter. I can read your lips. මම ඔයා මුමුණපු හැටි කියව ගත්ත මෙහි ඉඳන් සද්දේ නැතුව. Okay? Thank you. Next. Okay. Let's see the action of the capacitor. Oh, I forget one thing because I have used that here. Look at this LED. This is also a type of diode. මෙයත් diode එකක්ම තමයි. But difference is only difference මෙයාගේ වෙනස මෙයාට light පිට කරන්න පුළුවන්. It can emit light. Okay? Look at this. මේ බලන්නකෝ. Positive to positive. Negative to negative. If I connect, it lights up. If I change the direction, it does not function. If I change the direction, it does not function. අපි දිශාව මාරු කරාම එයා වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ. Okay. Now I am going to show you the function of this capacitor. It's just like a little battery. Okay. Now I am going to light up this using capacitor. Can you see that LED is positive to positive, negative to negative? It's lighting, no? Can you see? You know that. Shania, can you see the light?
Cannot see, sir.
You cannot see. ඇත්තට මෙයා එහෙම වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Because this capacitor is not charged. මෙයා charge කරලා නැහැ. Now I am going to charge this. Okay, let me see you that. This is positive. යන්නේ නේ.
So how to charge?
I'm going to charge this. Look at this. I take this power source, positive and negative. Okay. පැත්තකට වෙලා ඉන්න. Okay, this is negative and this one is positive.
Positive.
Then charge වුණා. Now it is charged. බලන්නකො පොඩි වෙලාවයි ගියේ charge වුණා යා. Okay, let's see. ඔන්න බලාගන්න. It lights up and discharge. That's the action of capacitor. On a capacitor එකේ action එක. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now I have demonstrated all the devices recommended for you. But for grade 6 students, මම තවත් circuit එකක් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට practice කරනවා අද නෙමෙයි. So you can see this. මෙන්න මෙයා පේනවද? What's this? So this is
A resistor.
it's kind of a resistor, but this is light dependent. ආලෝකය වැටුනහම මෙයා current එක යන්න ඉඩ දෙනවා. මෙන්න resistor එක. This is the resistor. Look at this. I'm sorry. I forget that. Resistor with color
Then
codes.
LDR.
Okay. ඒක අනිත් දවසේ අපි පැහැදිලි
Excuse
කරමු.
me, sir.
Yes,
Excuse me, sir. Is there an LDR?
this is LDR, light dependent resistor. LDR, its function is it can detect light. For an instance, you can make a circuit that is sensitive to light. තේරුණා නේද? රෑ වීගෙන එනකොට අඳුර වැටීගෙන ඉන්නකොට අඳුර වැටෙද්දී ඉබේම ගෙදර ලයිට් පත්තු වෙන්න හදන්න පුළුවන්. ලක්ෂික තේරුණාද?
Yes, sir.
යාට ටෝච් එකක් ගාපුවාම සර්කිට් එක ඔෆ් වෙන්න හදන්නත් පුළුවන්. මම ඒක next day කියලා දෙන්නම්. It's nice. So it is developed in vehicles. New vehicles වල තියෙනවා ලක්ෂික. ඉස්සරහා එන එක්කිනා මූණට headlight ගහන් ආවොත් automatically මේකෙත් headlight පත්තු වෙන්න හදන්න පුළුවන් by using this instrument. Okay. I think all of you got a clear knowledge. Okay. Let's ask Dinuda, can you understand what we discussed so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay. මට ඔයාලගේ අතින්ම මේක කරවන්න තිබුණා නම් හොඳයි. So this is also LED. This is use flashes, camera flashes. මේ වගේ 3 දෙනෙක් විතර දාගත්තොත් මුළු ගෙටම එළිය ඇති. ෆ්ලෑෂ් එක එළිය. මෙයාගෙන් නම් පත්තු කරන්න බැරි වෙයි අපිට. This current is not enough. I think there's 12 volts required. Okay. That's not required. I have 12 volt source. Where's that? Yes, I got one. I don't know it is working or not. It's negative. Oh. මට නම් ඇස් පේන්නේ නැතුව ගියා. Okay. Can you see that?
Yes, sir. It looks like a very, very
Right.
stunt.
මට මුකුත් පේන්නේ නැහැ දැන්. I cannot see anything because it's so bright. I'll change the camera direction now. So tired. දැන් මට මේක අස් කරලා එපා වෙනවා. Okay, your practical session is over. මේක තව දිගට කරන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාලට මේ instrument තිබ්බනම්, but the problem is in this quarantine season you cannot find them. තාත්තව යවන්නත් එපා ඔය කොහාටවත් වගේ ඉන්න, right? මොකද මේ this COVID case is very serious now. Lakshika, don't ask parents, please bring me that. එතකොට තාත්තා යනවා මෙව ගේන්න ඔයාලට. හරි?
Okay, sir.
හරි? අම්මට කියන්න එපා අම්මා යනවා මෙව ගෙනල්ලා දෙන්න. එතකොට එයාට virus infect වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Okay? If there's any problem, don't go to even pay my payments. මට payment කරන්නවත් bank එකට යන්න එපා. If you can do it online transaction, that's very good. Okay. Have a nice day. I love you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Goodbye, sir. Thank you.
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye.
Bye, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.